a white girl?
You white girl.
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 White girl.
You white girl.
White girl. Cat girl.
You beaner girl.
White girl.
I'm
You
not a
beaner
white girl. Gugu's a white girl.
Light.
No.
Light.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Monica.
What about beaner girl? Who's beaner girl?
Mama. Peter, open the door.
What?
Open the door.
Where's your cup?
Open the door.
Go
Where's your
open
cup?
it.
Where's a cup?
I don't know.
Tell me where your cup's at.
I don't know.
Say, where's my cup?
I don't know.
Say it. Where's my cup?
I don't know.
My cup.
Say it. Where's my cup?
I don't know.
Say, where's my cup?
I
What
don't know.
movie did you see yesterday?
Ratatouille?
No. Yeah.
Yeah, was it good?
It wasn't good?
No?
Did you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Was it about a toe?
No.
What was it about?
Bow. Feet.
Feet?
The feet.
It was about a rat?
No.
Yes, it was.
Daddy.
Okay, so where's Selena?
Daddy at home.
Where's Nick?
Nick at home at work.
Where's Lala?
At work.
Where's Kinsley?
At work.
Where's Larissa?
At work.
Where's Gugu?
At work.
No, I'm right here, you little liar.
Where's Gugu?
At work. At work.
Oh, okay. So, say, where's my cup?
Wait, my cup. I don't know. I don't know my baby.
Get up, I can see your face. Say it again, where's my cup?
Wait, where's your cup?
Where's your car seat?
Lala.
Say, where's my cup?
Lala, Mom. I'm right here.
Say, car seat.
No, my seat. Car seat. My car seat not here.
What happened to Grandma Lori's car seat? Was it pretty?
I don't know. I take it away. Lala, take it away. You weren't here because you had to go to school that day. Actually, I guess you're not going to be a cheerleader.
Yeah, she is.
Oh, she's not.
Yes, she is. We'll teach her.
Yes, she doesn't even know the ugly. Get you big. Get you big it. Oh, you big it. Yes, Hi.
Karis?
Bye-bye.
Karis. Karis. Karis!
What?
Do you want to be a cheerleader?
Can you do that? Oh, God, my mama.